Welcome to Bike Buzzin', your home for deep dives into the world of two wheels. Today, we're exploring the ultimate touring motorcycle, the 2025 Honda Goldwing 1800 GL. This isn't just another iteration of Honda's flagship, it's a refined masterpiece built for riders who demand comfort, power, and technology in perfect harmony. Let's take a ride through its design, performance, features, and why it remains the gold standard for luxury touring bikes. A legacy reinvented. The Honda Goldwing has been around for nearly 5 decades, and every generation has pushed the limits of what a touring motorcycle can be. The 2025 Goldwing 1800 GL builds on this legendary legacy with modern updates that make it sleeker, smarter, and more comfortable than ever. While the soul of the Goldwing remains unchanged, a machine built for endless miles and unmatched comfort, its latest upgrades make it feel like a brand new chapter in the bike story. Design and presence. The first thing you notice about the 2025 Goldwing 1800 GL is its commanding road presence. Honda has refined the aerodynamics with sharper lines and a slightly narrower profile, making it easier to handle in urban environments without sacrificing touring comfort. The front fairing features updated LED lighting with adaptive cornering technology, ensuring maximum visibility in all conditions. New color options, including deep metallic reds and pearl whites, give it a premium, head-turning look that matches its luxury status. The heart, 1,833 cubic centimeters of smooth power. At the center of the Goldwing is the legendary 1,833 cubic centimeters flat-six engine, now tuned for even smoother power delivery and improved fuel efficiency. Honda's engineers have refined the throttle response for effortless acceleration, whether you're overtaking on the highway or cruising at low speeds through a scenic route. The engine remains whisper quiet at idle but transforms into a deep, satisfying growl when opened up. Exactly the kind of character you want from a touring powerhouse. Transmission and riding modes. The 2025 Goldwing continues to offer both a 6-speed manual and Honda's advanced 7-speed DCT, dual-clutch transmission. The DCT has been improved for quicker, smoother shifts, making long-distance rides less tiring. For selectable riding modes, Tour, Sport, Econ, and Rain, adjust the bike's throttle response, suspension feel, and power delivery to match the road and weather conditions. This adaptability means the Goldwing can be everything from a relaxed cruiser to a surprisingly agile sport tourer. Technology at your fingertips. Touring comfort today isn't just about the seat and suspension, it's about seamless tech integration. The 2025 Goldwing 1800 GL features a 7-inch full-color TFT display with updated graphics and faster menu navigation. Both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and the Bluetooth audio system has been upgraded with clearer speakers for richer sound. A new onboard voice command system allows riders to control navigation, music, and phone calls without taking their hands off the bars. Comfort for endless miles. Honda has always been the master of rider comfort, and the 2025 model takes it further. The seat padding has been redesigned for better long ride support, and the heated grips and seats now have faster warm-up times. The electronically adjustable windscreen has a broader range, reducing buffeting even at higher speeds. The suspension system, featuring a double wishbone front and pro-arm rear, absorbs road imperfections effortlessly, making the Goldwing feel like you're gliding rather than riding. Storage and touring practicality. For serious touring, storage matters. The 2025 Goldwing offers 61 liters of storage in its side cases, plus an additional top trunk with 50 liters of space, enough to fit 2 full-face helmets. The luggage compartments open smoothly and lock securely, with an option for remote keyless access. Honda has also improved the internal organization of the compartments, making it easier to pack and retrieve essentials on the go. Safety features and rider assistance. Long-distance travel requires more than comfort, it demands safety. The Goldwing 1800 GL comes equipped with Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, ABS, and an advanced traction management system. The 2025 model also includes a refined adaptive cruise control system, which maintains a safe following distance automatically. Parking and low-speed maneuvering are made easier with the Goldwing's reverse gear and forward creep mode, especially useful in tight spaces. The ride experience. Everything about the Goldwing's design and engineering culminates in one thing: the ride experience. Whether you're gliding along a coastal highway or navigating through mountain switchbacks, the bike feels planted, balanced, and effortlessly powerful. The smoothness of the flat six engine, combined with the plush suspension, makes even the longest rides a pleasure. It's a motorcycle that encourages you to keep going, even when the destination is still hundreds of miles away. Pricing and value. Luxury touring doesn't come cheap, and the 2025 Honda Goldwing 1800 GL reflects that with a starting price that positions it firmly in the premium category. But when you consider its blend of comfort, performance, technology, and build quality, it's clear that you're investing in a machine designed to last for decades. With Honda's reputation for reliability, the Goldwing isn't just a purchase, it's a long-term riding partner. Final thoughts. The 2025 Honda Goldwing 1800 GL is more than just a motorcycle. It's a mobile living room, a cross-country rocket, and a technological marvel rolled into one. It continues to evolve without losing the qualities that made it an icon in the first place. For riders who value comfort, reliability, and the joy of the open road, the Goldwing remains the ultimate touring choice. That's our deep dive into the 2025 Honda Goldwing 1800 GL. At Bike Buzzin'. Storage and touring practicality. For serious touring, storage matters. The 2025 Goldwing offers 61 liters of storage in its side cases, plus an additional top trunk with 50 liters of space, enough to fit 2 full-face helmets. The luggage compartments open smoothly and lock securely, with an option for remote keyless access. Honda has also improved the internal organization of the compartments, making it easier to pack and retrieve essentials on the go. Safety features and rider assistance. Long-distance travel requires more than comfort, it demands safety. The Goldwing 1800 GL comes equipped with Honda Selectable Torque Control (HSTC), ABS, and an advanced traction management system. The 2025 model also includes a refined adaptive cruise control system, which maintains a safe following distance automatically. Parking and low-speed maneuvering are made easier with the Goldwing's reverse gear and forward creep mode, especially useful in tight spaces. The ride experience. Everything about the Goldwing's design and engineering culminates in one thing: the ride experience.